Hi children, how are you? I am your Pramila ma'am. So children, today we are going to see first lesson of your GK book. Now see this picture. This is scorpion. Scorpion venom is the most expensive liquid in the world. Scorpion live in warm climate and in, feed on the insects. They hold their prey with their big pincers and paralyze it with the sting at the end of their tail, which they bend right over their backs. Now see the next one. Next one is crocodile. A young crocodile's teeth are continuously replaced by new ones every month. So about crocodile, crocodiles are large, meat-eating reptiles that live in water but sometimes hunt on land as well. They all have very powerful shutting jaws. Crocodiles and alligators live in water and are very good swimmers. Their eyes and nostrils are on top of their head so that they can see, breathe, and hunt with the rest of their bodies underwater. Children, do you know crocodiles how big they are? So crocodiles can grow to a massive 6 meter 20 feet, that is as long as a large car. Now see third one. This is salamanders. This animal may look like lizard, but they have far more in common with frogs and toads. They have smooth skin and they love the water. These creatures normally move slowly, but they can move quickly when in danger. They crawl over land and at the bottom of ponds. Do you know how big is the biggest salamander? The Japanese giant salamander can grow to 2 meter 6 feet long. Now see the fourth one. Walrus. The tusks of walrus can be as long as 1 meter. Children, walrus are huge sea mammals that have massive blubbery bodies and very wrinkly skin. They have themselves out of the water to rest and breed. Walruses are normally grayish brown in color, but when they sunbath, they blush pink because their blood rushes to the surface of their skin to cool them. Now see, this is a chameleon. A chameleon tongue can be up to twice the length of its body. This species come in a range of colors and many have the ability to change the color. Now children, come to second chapter, Amazing Creatures, page number 2. Pictured below are some animals that are amazing in many ways. Identify them, okay? Now number 1 is, this animal raises its spines when attacked by an enemy. Do you know what is that? This is porcupine. This animal, see that one? Number 2, okay? This animal can change its color. It has a long sticky tongue to catch its prey. So what is that? That is chameleon. Now come to third one. This animal can sleep while standing. So this is horse. Okay, horse. Come to see fourth one. This Tibetan animal is a beast of burden. It has long hair all over its body. Do you know what is that? That is yak. Yak. Okay. Now see page number 3. Fifth one. This animal can swim as well as run fast. It is found in the Arctic region. It has strong paws and sharp claws to catch seal, fish and other prey. So what is that? Yes, polar bear. That is polar bear. Sixth one. This sea animal has horse-shaped head and arm plates all over its body. And this is seahorse. Seahorse. Now come to seventh one. This animal lives in underground tunnels, that is builds for itself. Do you know what is that? That is mole. Okay, this is mole. Now children, come to last one, that is eighth one. This intelligent animal belongs to the family of apes and is very similar to man. Now, this is chimpanzee. Chimpanzee. Okay. Now children, come to third chapter. Okay, that is crossword puzzles. Now first one is the national bird of India. The national bird of India, that is peacock. Now write down peacock. P-E-A-C-O-C-K, peacock. National bird of India. Okay. Now in number 1 you write down there. Now second one. Now come to third one. A flightless bird of the Antarctic region that has wading walk. That has a waddling walk. Now the answer is penguin. Penguin. Okay, write down in third one penguin. Okay, P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Now come to fourth one. Goosey goosey dash, whither shall I wander? The answer is gander. G-A-N-D-E-R, gander. This one is called gander. And write down there gander. G-A-N-D-E-R. Now write down fifth one. A bird that lays eggs in the nest of other birds. Okay. Now the answer is, write down in fifth one, cuckoo. Cuckoo. C-U-C-K-O-O. Okay, that is cuckoo bird. Now come to sixth question. A New Zealander is also known by this bird's name, and that is kiwi. Write in kiwi. K-I-W-I. K-I-W-I, kiwi. Now see eighth question. A water bird with web-shaped feet. A water bird with web-shaped feet. Write down duck. Eighth one is duck. D-U-C-K. Duck, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Nice, good. So ninth question is a symbol of peace. A symbol of peace. Now see this picture. The symbol of peace is dove. Okay, that is dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. D-O-V-E. Excellent. Okay. Now children, come to 11th one. A carrier of messages. A carrier of messages. See the answer? What is that? That is pigeon. That is pigeon. Now write there. P-I-G-E-O-N. Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Outstanding. Come to last question. That is 12th one. A bird that hunts at night and has good eyesight. Okay. Now see the answer. See what is that? Owl. O-W-L. Owl. Okay, answer is O-W-L. Owl. Okay children, very nice. Come to 4th chapter, Matchless Animals, page number 5. Okay. Now first question is the heaviest insect, and the answer is Cory bustard. First one is Cory bustard. Second one is the biggest carnivore on land. The biggest carnivore on land. Polar bear. Polar bear. Third question is the largest shark. Whale shark. That is whale shark. Fourth one is the smallest monkey. Smallest monkey. Pygmy marmoset. Pygmy marmoset. Fifth one is the fastest bird. Peregrine falcon. Peregrine falcon. Now see sixth question. The smallest bird. That is bee hummingbird. The smallest bird is bee hummingbird. Seventh one. The largest cat. The largest cat. Siberian tiger. Siberian tiger. The largest lizard. Eighth one. The largest lizard. Komodo dragon. Komodo dragon. The ninth question is the heaviest flying bird. The heaviest flying bird is Cory bustard. Okay children? Thank you children. Have a nice day.